Hey, what's going on? It's PJ 437 Motorsports. In this video, I was putting the fitment arm on. I didn't go like step by step. Didn't video any of me doing the actual install or taking it out. Alright, so here's the idle arm that was in the truck. It's a new TRW one I got from Fisher's, which has a limited lifetime warranty to the person that purchases it. So this one looks like it was only on the truck a little bit before I bought it. I've had it, what, 2 years now, and I'm pretty sure in here the bearings have gone bad, and I'll insert clip here. The only differences I see in this TRW one is, for some reason, there's no grease fitting for you to grease this. So hopefully that's not a problem, but it's really not that hard to get off, which I'll go over. But this one can be replaced now that I've purchased it, and I don't know who bought that one or how to get it fixed or replaced until I can upgrade to the stronger stuff. There's no room really to work under there, but I'm gonna show you what you had to do anyway. So right there, wrong light. There's the pitman arm. You see the 2 bolts there mounted to the frame. Then it ties into the steering rack right there. So what I did was I popped that bolt off there. I took the 2 on the frame off. Then you can finagle it out of the frame mount and up out of the tie rod here, or the steering arm, whatever that thing want to be called. And I did take it loose from the steering arm just to see if I get some movement out. To get some movement out of it down, a little more play. Which it did seem to drop some. I didn't take it all the way loose. And then to reverse the process, you just gotta pry it back up into the frame, finagle it back up into here, up and over the sway bar against some of the hoses and stuff. And I had to start it into the steering arm first, and then kind of wedge it over into the frame mount, and then get the bolts in lined up and all that, and then just tighten everything down. Put some blue Loctite on everything to tighten that up. It tightened it up a little bit. It's not as much play as there was, but I believe the arm on the box, that joint up there that we were just looking at, I believe that is going to need to be replaced next. That seemed to have a little play in it when I had everything kind of loose, and I was trying to put it all back in there. Sorry. But that's the joy of the wide tire and wheel package with the offset, and put the strain on the steering stuff. But anyway, that's this quick little video doing this pitman arm. Basically a quick little kind of, I guess, how to. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos, and have a good evening or day. Thank you.